Hello friend and welcome to the part 7 of this tutorial India fights Corona. Today we'll learn navigation and screens. It is very important part of the application or any application you say, because navigation makes your application fluid and it makes your application to be able to move from here and there. So we will learn this part very easily and very slowly, and I will tell you the step-by-step processes, what are the processes required. So very first I will tell you where to put this new screen. Will not place in home, drawer, app or folder. So I will create new folder. So click on library lib and click new folder. That folder name will be menu. So I'll menu screen, let's say menu screen, because we are adding lot of screen in this 6 screen. So menu screen, and in that menu screen, now click on menu screen and add one more file, that will be lockdown.dart. So this is the first screen. Now remember what I am going to achieve. When I click on this, I should be able to see some message, and that message should nothing but the lockdown page. Is this lockdown.dart? So I'll quickly add some stateless. Yeah, write st stateless, then write file class name lock lockdown. And why this error? Because of material dart. So quickly import the material dart, and your error will be gone. So in place of container I will just add scaffold. That's it. This much only, don't do anything else. And one more thing in lockdown file is add route name. So static const route name, static is the keyword, and const is constant throughout the lifetime of this application. So this route name should be constant throughout the life of application, and this route name is nothing but lockdown. Whatever name you want, this route name will be unique throughout the app. Don't overuse it anywhere. I am saying about route name, not this file name or anything. Or you can say lockdown page to avoid confusion. Okay, so what is your route name of this page? Lockdown.dart will have one static constant, that is lockdown page. Now I will not mention lockdown page anywhere. How will I access? I will access like this. Look at this. I will say lockdown dot route name. So lockdown is nothing but the file name, and dot route name is nothing but the name of this let's say text or route. So what will it output? Lockdown dot route name will output slash lockdown page. Okay, don't get confused what is this and what we are going to do. We'll get the idea what we are going to do. So just have patience. So first step, we created the lockdown.dart file and added some initial basic scaffolding, and we added one route. Next step is you have to register your screen on the main file. So main.dart, come to the routes. Here just type lockdown, you get the option dot route name, give the colons and define context means what is the present context, you are in main file, and you will return lockdowns class. So what is this? What I am writing means whenever lockdown.route name is mentioned anywhere in our program, you have to return the lockdown screen or lockdown class. So whatever you write in this lockdown class, that will be everything will be returned as soon as you mention lockdown.route name. Now this much. This was the second part. First part, create the file. Second part, register your route. Third part, you have to push this route somewhere. So I'll quickly demonstrate what is that or what is I'm talking about. Let's say this is the stack. Stack means this is something which you can push something inside, just like one pot or one container. Okay. Now what I am doing, I'm pushing one page in this. Suppose this is our first page. This is our first page. Now if I pushed if I pushed second page, then that second page will be above this first page. So this second page, what we have to do with this, I will quickly tell you. So go to home screen. Why home screen? Because this lockdown menu is here. We have to click on that lockdown menu, right? So there is one important concept, that is, yeah, so your program was written till this return card. Now I will wrap this card, refactor, and wrap with new widget. So why I'm wrapping this card? Because there should be clickable event. Clickable means I should click on that. So there are three types of detectors. Let's say gesture detector is there, gesture detector, and gesture detector have one method called as on tap. Okay, so whenever I tap on this screen, this function on tap will perform something. So if I save it, look, this is clickable event. Okay, what is this clickable? I cannot see any effect. You will say, okay, wait, you will see the effect. Just have some patience. I will tell you what to do. Now you can see there are three arguments. Context, icon, and title. Next thing is, after clicking on this card, I should redirect to new page, that is lockdown page. So what I will do, I will write the link or the route here. And what is the route? Lockdown dot route name. So I am passing this lockdown dot route name to this function my card, and my card should accept that. How to accept? You write route, and in on tab, this is important, this is the function you will use for navigation. Which function? I am writing navigator dot of context dot push name. Now I show you that diagram, stack diagram. Remember in Paint, push. So I am pushing. So this, remember this red is nothing but home screen, and this yellow is nothing but lockdown screen. So home screen is already in the container, and you are pushing on that screen our lockdown page. So how? Let's see. So route name, I will not write route name, but we'll write route, because you are accepting route. So this should match with this. Alright. So I'm getting some error. Yeah, right, because other functions are also expecting fourth argument, and for timing we will just give empty space. So just quotes, empty quotes. Alright, so I will save this. Once I saved, and if I click on this, see, I am going to new page, and this page is nothing but lockdown. This is the page. Again, now I am coming back with this back button. I will come to home screen. Again, I am pushing. I am coming back. So this is the concept. This yellow is lockdown. This red is home screen. Whenever I push, this yellow circle will come inside. Whenever I press back, this will be popped out and home screen will be displayed. So that's the concept of stack. Now what we will do, we will add some basic functionality to lockdown page. And how to do that? Return scaffold on lockdown page, write app bar, and for app bar you have to write, you can just copy paste from main.file to avoid. So what I will do, I will copy this too, and I will come back here and I will paste. Now of course we will get error because we have not imported. So I will quickly import dot dot slash Why two times dot? Because we are in menu screen, and we have to go to app bar screen. So from menu screen you have to come back one directory. So dot dot, that's why dot dot slash. I will say app bar, my app bar. Again import dot dot slash drawer and my drawer. Now error gone. If you save, you'll see the effect. Right. Now what we will do, we will have some home function, and what is that? We will have body. So scaffold should have body, and body should be, let's say, container with the press escape, this white patch, and color. So color will be, let's say, colors dot orange. So if I click, yeah, this is the orange color. Now what child I want to be text, and this text will be this, as per government directive, lockdown extended till 3rd May. If I press this, it will come at the top. Now you can see this container has a child text. That's why this entire color is applicable to the text, right? Please remember that this kind of things. If you want still your body to be, if you want your entire background should be orange, you can have background color option in scaffold. I purposefully added background color through container. You can add color, background color from here also, colors dot orange, let's say, and you can have entire orange color. Now what we will do, I want this to be at the center as per government directive, this text. So I will wrap this with the center widget. Don't need to do anything, just wrap with the center. Yeah, it's coming at the center. Now I want this text little bit thicker, I mean bold. So I will give comma, I will write style, and style will always be wrapped in textile, and textile have multiple options. Press escape to avoid. So what first option, font, let's say font weight, font size, let's say font size is 20. Font weight, it should be font weight dot bold, and lastly I will add color. So font, no need to write font color, just write color, and color will be colors dot white. So this is how. Now you can see this is end to end. I don't want end to end, so container has an parameter padding, and padding will give you age inset dot all. From all sides you should have 10 padding. Yeah, this is fine. It should be black, I think. White does not suit, so I will add black color, and I will sell. Right. So if I go back, and if I coming again, so first we have successfully added the route and navigation. Now similarly we will add for all the screens, and we will learn how to do that. So please try to do it with your own. It is very easy and very important at the same time. Thank you and Jai Hind. We will end this part here and visit again to carry further.